Hello, my name is Nuha binti Shahbani. I study at Polytechnic Sultan Abdul Halim Azam Shah in Diploma Accountancy. Today, I would like to make a comparison between Canon PIXMA MP237 and HP DeskJet 1050. First of all, the size of Canon PIXMA MP237 is bigger than HP DeskJet 1050, and the color of Canon PIXMA MP237 is black, while HP DeskJet 1050 is color silver. The dimension of Canon PIXMA MP237 is 444mm times 329 times 153 mm, while HP DeskJet 1050 is 41mm times 43mm times 24mm. Canon PIXMA MP237 has a printer feather, which is printer type is color, printing technology is inkjet, available function is print, scan, and copy. The shade of Canon PIXMA MP237 and HP DeskJet 1050 is rectangular. That's all for today. Thank you.